to another very busy day at LanguageSitter. My daily Slovene lessons are going very well. I'm starting to be able to form my own sentences now. This morning, I joined a training session for new language sitters. Diana led us through the do's and don'ts of teaching here and gave us ideas for how to optimize a client's sessions and tailor them to their individual needs. We were each asked to prepare a demo lesson. I spent my afternoon reading my client's profile and generating ideas for this mother of two who is interested in education and improving her English. Next week, the CEO of MBills and one of my fellow AmCham students will be coming here to LanguageSitter for a tour. It's my job to present the company and tell them about what we do here. Let's hope it doesn't rain before I get home. See you all tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.